teachers and my dear school fellows. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today the topic of my speech is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Firstly, for this opportunity to deliver a speech on stage, I would like to thank all of my teachers. I also want to address all my friends for all the support. A special thank to our Sir Mufti Abdul Wahid Sahab Al Qasimi and Principal Maulana Hussain Sahab Mazahiri. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in the city of Makkah in the year 571 AD. Abdullah had died a few months before Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born. I think that's all. I wish we could meet again in another occasion. Thanks for your attention. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.